Hello, good afternoon, Victory. How are you doing today? It looks like you're here to get some tutoring help. Can I get your student email address? If you don't mind, you can click on the chat button at the bottom and type it in there for me. Perfect. And you said you were here for math, so I'm going to send you over to the math tutor. Today we have Tanya, so give me 1 second and I'll send you over. Have a good day.
Okay, good job. That is the right equation. Now we're gonna move on and go on to the next step. So if you could for me, please circle what you think is the y distance. Yes, that is the correct answer, Victory. Looks like you're grasping onto this topic really well. So now we're gonna move on and work on to the addition of the dog bones and see which one works better. Okay,